Hi, this is Ankit Chauhan, and today I'm discussing something about artificial intelligence and artificial intelligence, uh, networking basics, and some portion of ERP software, and also discussing some of the more uh, things such as content production, digital marketing, SEO, business automation, consulting, and here this video will definitely help you in some ways, and yeah, it will benefit you a lot. So here I begin. Uh, if you are not seeing my face right now, don't worry, just focus on the board, and you have to focus on the board. You have to get into the learning, and yes, focus on the learning. Okay, so right now, what we are discussing right now here is, uh, for any business, what is the topic here. Overall, what I am discussing right now is, uh, most of the business problems and the uh, where business problems arises, and the difference between a small business owner and a big business owner. uh, there lies a small approach in which they move forward. Okay, the difference is in approach, and it doesn't come in a single day. It comes with a lot of experience, it comes with a lot of hard work, and a lot of other stuff as well. Your community members, your surroundings, and a lot more other factors. So so keep yourself with the people who uplift you up, and who motivates you, who bring out the best in you, who try to uplift you. You have to understand that. And that's a very difficult part, because in this world, uh, in this competitive world, there are very few people who genuinely are interested in uplifting everyone. uh, Please recognize them. Please recognize their true intentions, why they are doing this, and it will definitely benefit you all. So here I begin. So here, in the first line, what I wrote here, you can see here is system overloading. Why I wrote this it in first line, system overloading, capacity. You know that system overloading and the capacity requirement, it is an element of infrastructure. If we are not having many workstation, it can be related to infrastructure. uh, it is not looking like nice. I am just rubbing it and making it more clear right now. uh, Infrastructure, infrastructure. Oh, oh, my writing is not looking good right now. Infrastructure. Okay, then the main requirement was the capacity. Uh, Requirement is capital. I've written here is capital. You know that if we are going to scale any business, mid-sized business, any business, mid-sized business, your business is running from a long time, you have devoted a long time in building your systems, your other stuff as well, and a lot of other work as well. uh, you have bootstrapped it, you have done it on your own, and a few team members, you have developed your business on a small scale level, and you are now stuck that how you should scale this, how to move forward, how to bring out the next stage where you can employ, you give employment to a lot of people, and be a successful entrepreneur where you can give jobs and provide value and services to a lot of other persons as well. Okay, so here we are discussing it. So one thing I would like to discuss here is you need an ERP software. You know, just zooming it here, whether you are getting the right picture or not. Just zooming it here. Uh, okay, ERP software. Got it. So ERP software, it stands for Enterprise Resource Planning Software, and it's a uh, very great software, and it is responsible, and it has all the uh, functionalities, it has all the things which are required for an enterprise to grow, to sustain, to scale. Got it? It also include the CRM in it, customer relationship manager. Now we are going into the our services. What services are you providing? Right now we are into requirement is capital. Yes, without capital a business cannot run. Initially you would have developed, or you have created a system uh, where your things worked well. Okay, your things work well, but that was a bootstrapped model. You know, the bootstrapped model is a model in which you do all the stuff, you do uh, bootstrapping without any external funding, you do it on your own, you build your business, you build your sole proprietorship firm and develop it and do all the other stuff. So at a point when you are going to scale it, suppose you are moving on from a sole proprietorship firm to a different level, you are converting it into LLC or LLP model, or you are in the next phase. Now you are ready to go into the LLC model, LLP, and you are going to scale it on a global scale even. I'm not saying that you have to jump it very rapidly on a global level, but I'm just giving you a view that it is possible. Okay, the requirement is capital. When you have established your roots, then there is a time then you need capital. The second thing is consulting. See, consulting is why consulting is necessary. See, I have spent a lot of times with entrepreneurs, with I have surrounded myself with a lot of good people. Not here, not exactly here, but I have connected with a lot of good people, and I know that consulting is a very good medium of business, and you can help out the people who are looking for these kind of services. Content production, you know that content production is a very vital in the digital ecosystem. You know, whole website in www, the website www.xyz.com, and if we say, are you getting this or not? I'm not uh, focusing it right now. Uh, right now. Okay. You got it? xyz.com. So www.xyz.com, it is a website which can provide, or the services we can list down in xyz.com can reach up to a lot of audience if it is done effectively. Okay. And it is not only online marketing. You know, the ideal strategy which I would like to discuss here right now. The ideal strategy is this, that always build your business. I've learned my from my own mistakes too. The best teacher in my world is my own life, and I've learned from each and everything. I learned from everything, even ants. You know, the ants are running in a line, and sometimes ants are running in a line and they sometimes do not get walk on the wall. They find it very hard to climb up the wall, but even if they fall from there, they don't lose their hope. Okay. Wait a second, I am just closing the door because there is some kind of distraction here. So I'm just closing the door, and I'll continue here. Okay. So I was giving the example of ants. The biggest lesson which we can take from ants is that they keep on trying things. No matter what is the situation, they keep on trying. And that's the biggest thing. You should not lose hopes. Okay. And if again and again the things are not coming, there are two cases in that scenario. Either you are doing it in a wrong way, or there is an easy method to do it. But if you will go with long run, that you have to do it anyhow, you will do it. You are learning from all the surroundings and environment. Ultimately it will produce positive results. Okay, enough of it. Right now we are moving on. We have got out of context. Right now we are jumping into the ERP software. We have discussed it right now. Now we are moving on to the here, system overloading and capacity. You know, the system overloading and capacity, what does it mean? System overloading and capacity here means that we have a system, okay, and we are running a system. We are running a system, and we are running a website, and we are running offline office. We are having an office there. We are also having a digital presence. We are also having a social media presence. We are running all kind of stuff there. We are providing digital marketing services. We are providing content production. We are providing digital marketing services, SEO, business automation, consulting, all stuff, and more and more. Okay. So the problem is this: when you are scaling it up, okay, so you have to increase the workstations. Otherwise, the capacity will not be met. So there is a requirement of capital here. So here comes the capital requirement. Because the capacity of a single workstation will not cater to the needs of all the stuff which you are doing right now. So we move on to the networking stuff right now. Networking stuff is we classify it in LAN, MAN, and WAN. LAN is local area network, MAN is metropolitan network, and metropolitan area network, and WAN is wide area network. Okay, got it. Protocols which we use is TCP/IP transmission control protocol, internet protocol, IPv6 and IPv4. There are versions of internet protocol, version 6 and version 4. Then we move on to the FTP file transfer protocol. It is generally used to uh, send files, and you have to send multiple files from the local server to your web server in which you are hosting your website. Then FTP is required because it is a tool, it is a software which helps to transfer files from your local area network, from your local to your desired server. Okay, SFTP is an advanced version of FTP, that is secure for file transfer protocol. It is more secure, SFTP. Okay, got my point? So right now, are you getting my screen right now? Okay, what is this happening? uh, okay, let uh, okay, we have discussed LAN, MAN, WAN. Okay, local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. We have discussed about the network. See, now we are talking about the network. Local area network caters to the local area network. For example, when we are connected in a local network, that is local area network. Okay, metropolitan area network is a vast network in which we connect from one metropolitan city to another metropolitan city. Okay, that is metropolitan area network. And wide area network connects globally. It has no foundations. So wide area network provides a great flexibility in which you can access information from the wide area network. Got my point? So ERP also contains CRM, and ERP is the backbone. ERP has all the things. Enterprise resource planning. It documents, it tracks out, it has all the capabilities, and it ensures what enterprise has to do and what you are doing, and keeps track of all the assets and all the things which we are doing in an organization. Okay, also the resources which are required. Okay, so it's a much bigger thing than CRM. CRM comes under the ERP. So now we move on to the artificial intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence originates from the neural networks. Neural networks mimics human brain. Pros and cons will be discussed later. We will go on to this topic later on, uh, because it's an area of research and the research is already going on. So we'll not get into the much deep because it's a very much deep topic. There are a lot of deep tech startups and other startups who are heavily investing in such kind of technologies. Okay, now we'll talk about the GAI, General Artificial Intelligence. So there is a difference between artificial intelligence and GAI. There is a slight difference between it. Artificial intelligence is a you can say uh, it is a primary set, and GI is a subset of artificial intelligence. Okay, there are many parts of artificial intelligence. So general artificial intelligence is an intelligence. It generates an entirely new content that is unique. It gets smarter with time as more sample data is fed and gives you tailored experiences. What do you mean by tailored experiences? You know the tailored experiences. It tailored experiences means customized according to your needs. What you are liking, it suggests you that. Okay. So GAI has a capability and gets is it gets uh, you can say that GI improves as more and more data is fed into the GAI model. Okay, and then it will give you a more predictive and more customized solution, and it can help you in a lot of way if you are seeing it in a positive manner. So think it that way. Okay, so every technology and everything has pros and cons. We are not saying that there are not cons of it. Everything, every technology, every aspect of this has some kind of pros and cons. There are some advantages and some disadvantages. So we are looking into the advantages. We are not looking right now into the disadvantages, because we are right now just focusing on the what can be achieved and what good can be achieved from it. And yes, we are developing, and a lot of people are developing it sincerely. And if there is a need, we have to manually intervene and make a check that generative artificial intelligence or other intelligence artificial intelligence is uh, not reaching that point where the things are not able to manage. Okay, that's the main point. It should be developed responsibly. That's our responsibility. Got it? So artificial intelligence has many uses. Artificial intelligence is not only related to general artificial intelligence GAI. It has other lot of things as well. AI technology has can be used in robotics. You know that robotics is also relies on the artificial intelligence. You know that drones drones also relies on the artificial intelligence. The main thing is this, that there are different stages of artificial intelligence, and the stages of artificial intelligence, if you say about the artificial intelligence, the most the most advanced artificial intelligence is superlative intelligence. Okay. Just make it sure. I'm just checking it. Hold on for a minute. I'm just making it sure that superlative artificial intelligence is here or not. Just hold on for a second. I'm just checking it. Hold on for a second. Please wait for a minute. Uh, Meanwhile, what I'm doing, you can just look at the whiteboard. Gone are the days when we see these things in the sci-fi movies. Now it is becoming real. Okay. I'm just checking out the stages of. Wait a second. I'm just checking it out. Uh, right now, I'm having. Please pardon if it is. The video is slightly. Uh, Not in the perfect position. It is like this, but please bear that right now we are doing it like this only. Please try to understand, but our knowledge and our things are always going to help you and will give you a clear picture what can be done and what we can do together. Okay, we can collaborate on the uh, common points. We can collaborate on the common things. There is always a scope of collaboration, so why not collaborate it? Okay, so what we are right now just checking it. uh, uh, okay, stages of, what you can do is this, just type into the Google or other search engine stages of artificial intelligence. You can do it. Okay. 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 So here it is. Listen. See. Listen it first.
Broadly categorized into three main stages: artificial narrow intelligence, ANI, artificial general intelligence, AG, and artificial superintelligence, ASI. These stages represent a progression in AI capabilities, moving from specialized tasks to human level intelligence and beyond. Here's a breakdown of each stage. 1. Artificial narrow intelligence, ANI. 1. Also known as weak AI, ANI is designed for specific tasks and excels in those areas. 2. Examples include virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, spam filters,
See.
and recommendation
Right now.
systems.
Right now.
ANI systems are
Here.
not generally intelligent and cannot perform tasks outside their defined scope. 2. Artificial General Intelligence, AG. 1. Also known as strong AI or human level AI, AG aims to possess human level cognitive abilities. 2. AG systems would be able to understand, learn, adapt, and apply knowledge across various domains, similar to a human. And 3. Reaching AG is a significant goal in AI research, but it remains a future possibility. 3. Artificial Superintelligence, ASI. 1. ASI refers to AI systems that surpass human intelligence in all aspects, including creativity, problem solving, and general wisdom. 2. ASI is a hypothetical stage of AI development and its potential impact is a subject of ongoing discussion and debate. And 3. Some envision ASI as a powerful tool for solving complex problems, while others express concerns about its potential risks.
See, there are three stages of artificial intelligence for right now. If we break down the artificial intelligence in three stages, we got the first point of artificial narrow intelligence. Okay, let's talk about the NE, artificial narrow intelligence. Are you saying it here? I'm writing it here. Artificial narrow intelligence. Okay, now what is artificial narrow intelligence, also known as weak AI? You know that AI is designed for specific tasks and excels in those areas. So AI is a weak AI, is designed for specific tasks and excels in those areas. Examples include virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, spam filters, and recommendation systems. AI systems are not generally intelligent and cannot perform tasks outside their defined scope. Got it? So, Siri and Alexa, examples include virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, spam filters, and recommendation systems. Okay, are not generally intelligent, cannot perform tasks outside their defined scope. So, Siri, take the example of Siri and Alexa. They are not intelligent enough and they are dependent on our input. Okay, and they are defined for specific tasks. Okay, and excels in those areas. Example include virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa, spam filters, and recommendation systems. NI systems are generally not intelligent and cannot perform tasks outside their defined scope. Yes, outside their defined scopes, these Siri, Alexa, and other virtual assistants. If we talk about Cortana, take about the Cortana also. Why we are leaving the Cortana here? You can see it here. Uh, are we covering here? It is where it is. Mm, are you covering it? Okay, artificial narrow intelligence, Siri, Alexa, Cortana. Okay, don't worry about that. It is artificial narrow intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence. The second is artificial general intelligence, AGI. AGI, artificial general. Okay, just rub it. Artificial general intelligence. Artificial general intelligence. Okay, what's the difference between these two? Obviously, artificial general intelligence is much more advanced than artificial narrow intelligence, also known as strong AI or human level AI. AGI aims to possess human level cognitive abilities. AGI systems would be able to understand, learn, adapt, and apply knowledge across various domains similar to a human. Reaching AGI is a significant goal in AI research, but it remains a future possibility. Okay, you know that what is the difference between AGI? also known as strong AI or human level AGI. Human level AI. AGI aims to possess human level cognitive abilities. AGI systems would be able to understand, learn, adapt, and apply knowledge across various domains similar to human. Reaching AGI is a significant goal in AI research, but it remains a future possibility. So the difference here is narrow intelligence means it will narrow intelligence will only perform the task which is clearly in their scope. Artificial general intelligence passes surpasses the uh, artificial narrow intelligence, and it can understand, learn, adapt, and apply knowledge across various domains similar to human. It can understand, okay, learn, adapt. Wait a second, I cannot close it. Wait a second, I'll not close it. Would be able to understand, learn, adapt, and apply knowledge across various domains similar to human. It can understand, learn, adapt, and apply knowledge. And apply knowledge. This knowledge is a crucial factor. Across various domains similar to human. Across is sorry, it's mistake. Across various domains similar to humans. Got it? Reaching AGI is a significant goal in AI research, but it remains a future possibility. See, right now, reaching AGI is a significant goal in AI research. Reaching AGI is a goal in AI research, but it remains a future possibility. Okay. Got it, my point? Now comes the most exclusive and great topic here, which you can bet on, which is the most you have waited so long, and it is now covering up, and it is I am giving it for free right now. You are blessed that I am giving it for free. I am giving you artificial super intelligence, ASI. What is ASI? Some people say it is a myth and it is not going to happen. You know that it can happen, but we have to keep a check on it. Already I am telling you, this kind of ASI should be developed responsibly and it should be checked. Otherwise, it will surpass human intelligence. Okay, that's for sure. What is ASI? Artificial super intelligence. ASI refers to AI systems that surpasses human intelligence in all aspects. including creativity, problem solving, and general wisdom. Okay, if it surprises human intelligence, then you know what will happen. There is a competition between ASI and humans. Another point. See, right now that surpasses human intelligence in all aspects, including creativity, not only creativity, problem solving, and general wisdom too. It is also learning wisdom too. It is learning human behavior too. Artificial superintelligence. ASI is a hypothetical stage of AI development, and its potential impact is a subject of ongoing discussion and debates. Yes, it is a subject of debates and it should be developed responsibly. So ASI level should not be, it should be taken care very very seriously. Otherwise AGI will surpass human intelligence, and that's for sure. And it will eat jobs. There are a lot of jobs already going on. More jobs will be gone. So we have to keep a check on AGI. We have to definitely keep a check on AGI. Okay, so that's for today. Right now, if you like this lecture, please do comments. If you like my way of teaching, uh, am I? Am a my teaching style is a little bit different, but I try to give my full, and I rarely come out, but I try my best to give value to you. And this is Ankit Chauhan from DigiPro Marketers signing off. If you like this video, please comments and please give feedback, uh, so that uh, we bring out more such interesting content in the future. Till then, take care, goodbye, God bless you, and love all. God bless. Love you. Love you all.